Ekor Kapatisi TV.
Together we achieve, together we can fly, reaching for the sky.
ICFA University, Meghalaya.
Hatu pindon am kathong manlong kita kinong shed hagi hotel and hagi restaurant ibapau. Hamokam hilapan pun orlong e kathong kajongpi. Ke admission club play bani ai ki course ki bapel kadon ka degree course ka diploma baga advanced diploma course.
Ka State Bank of India Nongpo branch mendaka sing kala Pynlong ya ke SBI Smart Agri Customer Meet. Kabadai kawai ni kajing keduk lang naduk ki Nongrep ki nong sengkam lajong ki ofisa sarkar patru ki he ka State Bank of India banyakran halo kilat ki denti bandang Kyntiew ya ki Nongrep lengba ki kamriak ki jongki ki badai katkum kini kajuk ka Bynta. Ya kini ka Smart Agri Customer Meet la Pynlong Rynsan Conference Hall Nongpo. Hakba hakani ka sni lawan bane shimentaru daki he jong ka State Bank of India bakantup yung Ejas Ahmed ubade UDGM BNO ka kong Sirolin Khan District Agriculture Officer ka Ribhoy Pradeep Kumar Bora Professor ka Central Agriculture University Dr. H Talang Senior Scientist ka ICAR bakantup ru ki officer na ka State Bank of India. Kathong ba khamat jongani ka SBI Smart Agri Customers Meet ka Daven Pinchlodi ki Nongrep bakin rep katkum karukom rep ka juk start Bynta bakin la ban Kyntiew ya ka yok ka kon bat ling ba ki kamrem la ban pen kaladur ya ki Nongrep shakish Nongkyndong.
And our purpose is to connect with the farmers, tell them that we are here for them. We are here to develop the rural community. We are here to help them grow as agripreneurs, rural entrepreneurs, and we want them to become processor from producer, because if they will be involved in processing activities, overall upliftment will be there. Government is also supporting such activities, and we are also here to help them out. We are providing every type of facility from term loan, cash credit, letter of credit, bank guarantees, even the products which are required for exporters that are also covered. Every facility is given. Whatever the government schemes are there, we are also implementing.
Penyajam negeri Nongrep berkabang mengira penyerapan uplift ya kan untuk menjadi kan government pun tangga thum kedak kan ini bikin long kita lagi nombor mi ya ke finish mata government pun tangga bikin ju thum so dia no dari itu bikin mi उनकी squash उनकी कैम ini gitu gitu जिंदा की बनवाना खम्बोर का जिंगों की kan dia kan dia kan जिंगों ini kan dia kalau kita tahu bangin dari cerita between kini Nongrep jongi bat ka bank ni bat ka government lo kunjo maga ini mesti government ni national central level pun ki scheme nam na Nongrep kamde ya tamaban bagi dan ni government subsidy baru ada ka jing dalam mo ka jing yarap la ka central government ma ka kwa ba ki farmers kin kiyo no kan kam ko tang ka to ka old tradition of farming लेकिन देखा है कि ये बात किन कम क्यों ना शक्मा कि Nongrep जनी इन स्टम अपनी scientific farming लो बताना आपको भी बताना हम farming आपको ना तो कि नॉन की process up begin produce begin process ना तो अपने नाम ini की program ini kita kami ada function mana ada cinta cikgu customer ना का bank लो kita very lenient की documentation ये kita kami ये कि कौन kan kita very lenient documentation भी work किया लेकिन नाम किम स्टार्ट किया है लेकिन ये थी देखिए ऐसे ये आए मशीन में फॉलो काम वो मार के समझनी है ऐसे ग्रुप dengan partnership oh ini hawen monitor marbaya ke GCO marbaya ben phagi to ke bisa sampai ba am kon de bisa sampai tam ke sampai ba ini hawen monitor ke every now and then tum kini ki meeting lo unde kam kan level lo every 3 months every 2 months ni kam ini kini customer ki level tadi agri bagi betul ki एक benefit baka government ka lekas ka bani ba Dendri na kata lala kisah ni kilo kilo laman pakai ngapan siu show dari dan gajian yang ni dan gajian orang ni kiran ki compromise setel lagi ni apa yang apa ni bagi lah kungka lagi yang usian pelan pun orang mau ba kamai dia kim nak kaman se to full board ni kiran ki compromise setel lagi ni apa yang kita bagi dia orang baik sama sendiri ya tangkap ni ai kita orang ada kita ni counseling dulu ai ki ni untuk menjadi bagian come and here ya na junior.
Mornings are always busy. Everything feels fast. I hear mom shouting and I'm trying not to be late. Outside, Shillong is already awake. Cars move slowly, horns are loud. It feels like everyone is in a hurry. Then the STEMS bus comes in, bright and yellow, always on time. The caretaker waves and I feel okay. Inside, we laugh and sing. We share snacks, we help each other with homework. It feels nice. My parents know I'm safe through the STEMS app on mom's phone. Because this bus isn't just a ride. It takes us to school with friends and a little bit of hope. This is STEMS, our ride, our future.